Hi, my name is Scott Shearer. Paul Stork and I will be presenting two separate hands-on Power Automate workshops at SharePoint Fest Chicago. As you can see, Paul has a great deal of experience and is a Microsoft MVP, and I as well am a Microsoft MVP and have been working with SharePoint since SharePoint 2007 first came out. So as I mentioned, these are two separate sessions. You're welcome to attend one or both. In the morning is our introductory session. We will assume in the morning that you've never created a flow before. We'll start with the basics, and by the time we get to lunch, you should have the skills that you need to start creating simple flows. In the afternoon, we're going to take on some advanced topics, including troubleshooting techniques and advanced approval scenarios such as escalation and sending email reminders. These are very hot topics on the Power Automate forums. Please bear in mind this is a hands-on session. You're going to want to bring your own device to work through the labs, and preferably you're going to have a Mac or a Windows laptop with a keyboard. However, any device will work. If you're using an employer-provided laptop, please verify that you can access a Microsoft 365 tenant other than the one used by your organization. Sometimes employer-provided laptops are locked down, and if that is the case, you may not be able to access the tenant we'll provide to you in order to do the lab. So this is something you want to check out ahead of time. Check with the IT staff at your organization. I hope to see you at one or both of our Power Automate workshops in Chicago.